Have you ever heard a strange noise in your house and convinced yourself it was nothing? A squirrel in the attic. Old pipes. The house settling. That's exactly what Julie thought, until one terrifying night she discovered the sound wasn't coming from an animal at all. It was coming from someone who had been living inside her home. The crawl space. I've spent the majority of my adult life being entirely comfortable with solitude. That's not a reflection of my family dynamic or any failed romance.